Before we proceed, please remember to subscribe and to click the notification bell so you can be informed of our new and inspiring video. Thrilling competition ahead. These entrepreneurs are not just delegates, they are contenders vying for YALDA's investment to propel their business to new heights. What are your thoughts? Who do you think deserves to win? Let us know your favorites and why.
ይዤ የመጣሁት የፈጠራ ሀሳብ የሴቶች የወር አበባ መጠበቂያ ሞዲስ በተለምዶ ሞዲስ ብለን የምንጠራው ምርት ነው። በዋነኝነት ይዤ የመጣሁት ፕሮዳክቶች ሁለት ናቸው። አንደኛ በአንድ ጊዜ ጥቅም ላይ ውሎ የሚጣለው ወይም ደግሞ ዲስፖዛብል የሚባለው ሞዲስ ነው። ሁለተኛው ደግሞ ሴቶች አጥቦ ድጋሚ የሚጠቀሙት ሞዲስ ነው።
Is this entrepreneur your pick? Tell us your thoughts. Why do you believe this entrepreneur should win? Comment below and share why their business deserves the YALDA investment. Your voice matters. Your engagement fuels the dreams of these young entrepreneurs. Imagine these businesses in your country. Which one would you love to see thrive in your community? Tell us where you are from and why do you love to have one of these businesses in your country? Your contributions are key to our collective success. Thank you for being part of the YALDA journey and for supporting the next generation of African entrepreneurs. Remember to subscribe and to click the notification bell so you can be informed of our new and inspiring video, and share with your family, friends across all our social media platforms.